Hi guys! I want to first off say hello, welcome to the channel, and first off, happy new year. Today is actually January the 1st. So yes, I'm uploading this video the very first day. This is the first banger, the first tutorial, the first video for this channel for 2023. Wow. Okay, yes. And I got some exciting things coming to this channel for this year, so y'all gonna have to be on the lookout. But for one that I can actually announce, y'all, I decided to do another series. Yes, I know, another one, but this is a fun one, I think, in my opinion. I hope it is going to be one. But I decided to do like a birthday theme series. So yes, birthday theme, zodiac signs, your name and your girl is coming for the birthdays. I'm bringing y'all some birthday looks. Okay, so I have a few birthstones, zodiac, earth, wind, and fire type of palettes when it comes to the theory of zodiacs and stuff like that, and you know, the month and everything, and what your birthstone is supposed to be. So I decided to dedicate this whole entire year, yes, because I'm not going to drop them all in 1 month. I am going to go as the seasons change for each zodiac sign, and of course for each month for the birthstone, and so on and so on. So I hope you guys are excited for this, because I am so excited, y'all. I purchased some palettes just to make sure that this series was going to come to life. So y'all be on the lookout for Capricorns for this month, although Aries is this month as well. But for the beginning of this month, I got some special looks dedicated to my Capricorns. So the Capricorn palette that I am going to be using today, this is by sheglam. This is the Capricorn palette, and it's a very pretty palette. It has a lot of green shades in here with a splash of like other tones to like kind of like go along with this green theme. So this is going to be so fun. I do plan on doing another look using this palette, so this would be the first look using this palette, and then I'll probably come back sometime this week to do another look using this palette. So be on the lookout, because your girl do not have an upload schedule. I'm not going to dedicate myself to one. So yeah, just make sure y'all have your post notification bell clicked, so that way you guys will get notified when your girl upload a video. Okay, and if you guys want to stay updated on the birthday zodiac series, well, I don't even know what I'm going to call it, but the birthday series, okay, make sure you guys check out the playlist. I will have all of my birthday theme looks is going to be uploaded in that particular playlist. So if you want to save that playlist, go for it. That's where I'm going to upload all of my zodiac and earth, wind, and fire birthstone looks, so be sure to check that out. But anywho, I'm so excited for the new year, you guys. Your girl is back, and I am back with this look, and I hope you guys are ready for the tutorial, because it's about to start right now. Alright, so I'm so excited for bringing like this new little series on the channel, and I really do hope you guys are going to enjoy this, because like I really went out my way to get all of these damn zodiac palettes and just earth, wind palettes and birthstone palettes. Like I went out above and beyond, because I had it in my head, I was like, this is going to be good to bring to the New Year's to spice up, you know, makeup tutorial, because I feel like they're kind of like a little dead, but I personally still love and enjoy makeup tutorials. I hope you guys do as well, because I mean, like, that's the whole point of like tutorials, to show you guys different ways on using palettes that we have in our collection that we might have forgot. Never thought to do like a certain look using that palette. Like, makeup tutorials are fun. All right, so Miss sheglam Capricorn. So this is gonna be my second time trying out sheglam palettes, period, and the quality so far from the first time I tried them is really, really good. It says, Earth to Capricorn, you are the symbol of logic and ambition, which keep you from getting lost in the clouds. As we celebrate how enchanted you are in achieving your goals, just remember to stay connected and grounded to bring peace to your soul. My son is a Capricorn, and I love him. I don't know if it's just I love him so much because he's my son, but his whole vibe is like so chill. So that's all I know about Capricorns. If you're a Capricorn, go ahead and shout yourself out in the description box, or give me more details about Capricorn in your opinion. If you're not a Capricorn, let me know how your connection is with a Capricorn. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. Very dark shades. I wasn't expecting that from a Capricorn style, and this is the front of the palette too. It's absolutely beautiful, but blue and brown. All right, so I'm going to start off with the matte brown Y'all, and I apologize if I sound like a little Miss Piggy. I am still plugged up with this sinus infection that won't go away, so please excuse me. But I'm just gonna pop that right in my crease. It's actually more darker than what the pan is showing it to be. Alright, so I'm gonna blend it out with this, I don't know how to describe this color. It looks like it's another shade of brown, but then again, it's giving off gray vibes. Whatever the shade is, I'm going to take it and blend out this brown. And of course, I'm choosing to cut my crease. You can skip this part and just go with the next steps that I'm about to do. But I haven't cut my crease in a while, and a birthday look, I feel like it's definitely like cut crease all the way. So I'm going to do that really quick off camera. Oh, that cut crease looks so yummy. Yes. Okay, so what are we going to do for the lid? I'm going to go ahead and pop this green. I'm going to do it towards the center part, because I don't know what I'm going to do with this look. So let's pop her in the center. Ooh, baby, she's pretty. All right, and then I'm gonna pop the shade right in the remaining part of my inner, and I believe this is like a duochrome one, I think. So I'm gonna put some spray on it. If I'm not mistaken, I think I've seen this being a duochrome. Alright, definitely feel like you do have to like really press on this duochrome, whatever thing it is. I really didn't want this to be like an all green look. I thought these shades were going to be giving different versatility, you know. But it's okay, I'm going to come back and do another look using this palette. So I'm just going to close it off with the brown. Alright, so this is what the eyes are giving. But wait for the lashes to be applied, because it's going to be like a whole different look. So let's do the rest of the face, pop on lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so let's move on to the lips, because we need a nice lip combo to go with these eyes. And of course, y'all know my routine. I'm going with a neutral lip. So I'm going to go in with my NYX pencil, and I'm going to pop that around my lips for my lip liner. And then I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline liquid lipstick. And then I'm going to line my lips one more time with the lip liner. So of course you can leave her like this. She's really cute, but I'm a gloss girl, so I love to put a little bit of gloss on top of my lip combo. So I'm going in with the Heat Lip Gloss by Miss Fenty. Alright, so getting, ooh, okay, really quick, what I did for the rest of the face, of course, all the foundation, all that will be listed down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. But for my blush, I went in with this one, which I feel like I need to add a little bit more, because I like to have a lot of blush on, and I'm a blush girl. Yes, honey. Make them cheeks pop. And then this highlighter, though, this highlighter is from the e.l.f. This is the duo one, and I just used the orange shade right here, so I popped her on. She looks good. Set my face one more time. Alright, so let's unpin my hair. Make this look come together. Alright, so this is the look. I really do hope you guys like her. This is for my Capricorns, okay? Special dedication to my Capricorns, because anybody can wear this look, of course, but this is a special dedicated look for all my Capricorns. I want to say happy birthday to all my Capricorns. If you are a Capricorn, definitely let me know when is your birthday. I wish you the best, and may you have a blessed birthday on top of that. And I hope you tried this look out. I hope it gives you birthday vibes all day, every day. And if it doesn't, I have some more looks coming from my Capricorn babies. But anywho, this is the look. I hope you guys like. Alright, this is so cute. But y'all, I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and happy New Year's, you guys. This year can only go up from here, okay? Yes.